Hi, Angela Wolf here. Today I'm working on the Brother Luminaire and I want to show you a feature on here where you can change decorative stitches and see it right on your fabric. To get started, click on the sewing icon and then go to Decorative Stitch. And you'll see there are quite a few stitches for you to choose from. Pick one. I'm going to go with this one here. And what I want you to notice, look at the stitches next to here, just to keep this in mind, right? This is the stitch that we chose, but maybe you're not sure what stitch you want on your fabric until you see it. So just take a look at these. You'll see why in just a minute. Up here you can change the color of these stitches, and determining what color your fabric is, some will look up a little bit better on the fabric depending on if you have dark fabric or light. I'm going to use white fabric, so I'm going to go ahead and just go with the black color and then hit the projector. Now if for some reason you see a rainbow reflection through here, it's my video camera, not the actual machine. So there's my decorative stitch. And if you see this icon right here, click on the button on your stylus. And now it shows me the stitches that were on either side of that stitch that I chose. So in the case that you can't decide which stitch would look the best on your fabric, or if you have a seam, you're working on a quilt, you just click on the stylus and it'll keep switching all the way across the screen through all of the decorative stitches. This is such a great way to see what the stitch will actually look like on your fabric. And once you have a stitch that you like, simply touch the button and click Set. Now this gives me the options to change the stitch width and the length. And again, it will show me exactly on the fabric what it's going to look like. And this is letting me know that that is as small as that stitch can get in the width. Now I'm making the length a little shorter, and again, you can see it change right on your fabric. When I'm happy with the way it looks, all I do is touch the green button or press your presser foot and it will stitch. Now that's a pretty cool feature. That's a great way to see what the stitch is going to look like on your seam or on your project before you stitch it. No ripping out stitches anymore. Just scroll through the different decorative stitches, choose one, and stitch away. Again, I'm Angela Wolf. For more sewing tips and tutorials, be sure to visit angelawolf.com and brothersews.com. Until next time, happy sewing.